What's up, guys? So I wake up this morning, I'm getting ready to leave, and then this happens. This amazing gadget is going to save your life in that situation. But first, B-roll. So I'm holding the 8,000 milliamp hour power bank and jump starter from Type S. Now this is awesome. This is a must-have for your arsenal of car supplies. This really saved me from getting stranded. And not only is this a jump starter, but it is an awesome power bank with 8,000 milliamp hours. Not only will this save you from getting stranded, but it also has a bunch of features on it that you can use throughout your daily travels or commute. It essentially works exactly like a power bank with the added feature of a jump starter. So this unit has different USB connections that charge the unit and also outputs charged so that it can charge anything from your headphones, your gaming devices, your iPad, your laptop. All of those things this charger can handle and handle very well. It's a very small, sleek, compact unit that has a flashlight on it as well, and it just really is a nice product. So this unit comes with a carrying case, and in the case you're going to get a lot of cool additions to your power bank. Aside from it being a carrying case, you're going to get a lighter USB charger. You're also going to get the clamps that work the magic for starting your car. Now this is so cool, and it's very small. See, it's a very small unit, and this plugs in directly to the side of the power bank. Aside from that, a little side tip with this is I usually charge this with my laptop charger because it's going to charge a lot faster. So with your laptop charger, if you have a USB Type-C connection, that will plug in right into here, plug it into your wall, and this is going to charge up pretty quickly. Out of the box, when you go ahead and buy this at the very beginning, it has around, depending from 80 to 95%. It's pretty charged up when I opened it, but you want this thing charged up quick and you're ready to take this out, I suggest that you charge it with a laptop charger because it gives it more power and it charges it up a lot quicker. So this unit you can find for 60 bucks at Costco, and it's a really great price for everything that you get with this tiny little device. Now just recently I was on my way out one morning and my car didn't start. I didn't know what to do because I didn't have any friends to jumpstart me, which is usually what you would do if your car breaks. You would call someone, it would require somebody to come over, and then you'd have to have your giant long power clamps things here, or jump starters, and then you would have to figure out 2 different cars to go ahead and try to jumpstart your car. With this, you do none of that. You just really just plug in turn it on, plug in the side here, and then you don't need to call anyone. You don't need to bother anybody. You just turn this on, negative to negative, positive to positive. You just clamp them on and go ahead and start your car. It's easy as that, literally easy as that. You turn this on, and then on the little screen here that you'll see instructions. They'll tell you, plug it into your battery. It'll tell you if it's correct. You go over to your car, it tells you to crank it. Go ahead, put your keys in and start cranking it, and I guarantee you this will start your car. I guess I shouldn't say that I guarantee. If you have other electrical problems with your car, this might not work. But for the most part, if you leave your car lights on overnight, or if you have a very low battery and your battery is going out on you, and you use this is going to get you started so that you can get on your way. Funny story, actually, my car had a alternator that was going bad, and with the alternator going bad, I was able to jumpstart my car with this, but essentially I had to replace my alternator. But this really saved me from getting stuck anywhere that I was going during the time where I was trying to figure out the problem. So when I got stranded, I literally was looking for something like this, and not only is this going to help me with charging up all my portable devices, I also carry this around and it keeps me stress-free from getting stranded anywhere else. So I totally would recommend Like I said, you can purchase this at your local Costco, or I have a link below that you can take a look at and order one, because you really do need something like this. It's going to really help out in certain situations that you're going to find yourself in. So if you want to see how this works, I actually filmed myself outside jump starting my car, and it's super simple. It takes about 2 minutes and you're on your way onto your destination. There you have it, it turned on. Nice. Perfect. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel. If you give me a like or subscribe, it would really help me out in my growth and my journey on YouTube. I thank you again, and don't forget to go and buy yourself one of these. Thank you, and peace.